By implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation in the previous session, we introduced the students to the name of the lesson. Now, it's time to begin an inquiry-based activity that will encourage them to intuitively explore the reflections of familiar 2D shapes. As discussed at the end of the last video, let's begin by informing the students that they will now be creating and observing some geometrical patterns through an interesting activity. Ask the students to take out the square piece of cloth that they have brought with them from home. Then, guide them to fold it vertically in half and press the fold down so that a crease can be formed. Next, ask the students to open the fold and put just one drop of color in the middle of the crease. Then, guide them to fold the cloth in half twice to spread the color. Once that is done, ask the students to open the folds carefully. Following this, we will ask them to divide the piece of cloth into two halves by cutting along the crease in the middle. Give the students some time to complete the activity and guide them whenever required. Once the students are done with the activity, it's time for a few reflective questions. This will aid in enhancing the students' creative thinking skills. Begin by inquiring if the two halves of their patterns look the same. The students may respond by saying yes. At this stage, inform them that the two halves formed are also known as mirror halves, and the crease or the line that was formed in the middle is known as the line of symmetry. Continue to inform the students that the patterns they have created are known as symmetrical patterns, as they can be divided into two equal halves. Now that the students have a better idea of the concept of symmetry, let's carry the discussion forward to introduce them to the concept of asymmetry. But let's do that in the next video.